I think this is, oh, we're coming up to the area where I stacked it. All good. That's alright. No power going uphill. Oh, there's the bridge. Alright, so clearly I stacked it somewhere coming along that. Make sure people hear that I'm coming. It's okay. I'm coming. Alright, so it was somewhere along this bridge area where I stacked it. Oh man. Oh wait. There was a kid standing here. He was like, huh, what happened? Oh, I stacked it here. So this is where I stacked it. So I was shooting across. I was going way too fast. I was shooting across and I hit this area, and either I came in way too sharp. Let me replicate it. Not the speed, but the idea. So when I came through, I must have got down really low. I would have got down really low, tried to take this corner, and then I probably jumped on the gas way too early. And because I jumped on the gas too early, and that area looks like there's lots of mud from people cutting through that chicane, yeah, it got me really, really good. Like, I went over the handlebars and everything. So how do you record that? Oh, I guess some people can, but for me that day, I was defeated. I was so defeated. What a view. Makes me really want to get stickers for my EK. I would even mind Civic Type R stickers, just because it ain't ever gonna happen for me unless I find an EK9 wreck. That's the only way I attain these cars, as wrecks or as chassis, as bare shells. All right, thank you. We made it home. So basically, off everything that I was told, 18 days roughly, give or take, for it to arrive. I received notice this morning, yesterday, that the battery hasn't been tested or hasn't been sent yet. And it's a little bit annoying because I planned this whole build around making sure the battery should arrive within the next couple of days. So the problem is, I was telling them that, you know, you guys, I deserve some sort of refund. But every time any number, like they say $30 coupon and whatnot, but then every time I'm asking for something of monetary, like actual money to be refunded, they're like, oh, if we give you money then we lose out, we make a loss on this battery. I'm like, it's not really my fault because it was supposed to be here by now. It's supposed to be ready. Like, I don't know how long it takes to build a battery pack, or whether or not they had inventory issues to make the product. I'm not too sure. But if I knew it was going to be like this, I wouldn't have paid the extra $200, $200 for it to be air freighted when I could just wait it via ship. Same thing. So it's just relatively annoying. And like, even with local suppliers, I've paid for things to arrive overnight. Pretty much express overnight, same thing. I think it's the same thing. And it's still not here. Like, why am I paying the extra money for it to arrive for? Like, it's just I don't understand what's the purpose of having all these options if they're not gonna come through with it. Like, I ordered the other part on Friday. Fair enough if Friday I missed the cutoff time, so they should have processed it yesterday. So technically it should be here today, but nothing's arriving. I paid the extra money like for nothing. It's just annoying. And that's an Australian company. That's a business in Sydney. So, you know, I'm just currently at a standstill at the moment to do things at the moment. But I think I'm just going to clear out some cars, make some space, and then we can just start focusing on tomorrow. But other than that, I'm sorry guys, nothing special at all. Oh, I thought I'd let you know, I managed to get a new plastics for the cart, just because the old ones were relatively worn and torn, and I tried to fix it, but the effort for me to fix it is just not worth it. And I suck at fiberglassing. I hate fiberglassing, so I got some new kits, which is relatively black. I'm not too sure if I should revamp the logos and redo the stickers and whatnot, but I kind of don't want to do anything at the moment. It's just I feel a little bit defeated. So alright, I'm gonna sort out the rest and make some space and pull this card out, since the battery's not gonna be here for like another 3 weeks, so may as well pull that out. It doesn't have to sit in here anymore. That's my rant for today, Tuesday's rant. On a better note, we have, actually I know what this is. So I basically, this is a join, a silicon join for my intercooler pipe. The pipe that goes into the intake manifold. The reason why is because for my NA setup, when I was for the setup I was running previously, I figured a way where I could mount this sensor, and it just plugs in like that. Henry saw that and said that's a no-go for turbo, so I don't know if I've bought a bung for the sensor yet. I have to double check through my purchases, but I'm gonna just swap that hose out at the moment, and then wait until more parts arrive, I guess. Just waiting on parts thing sucks. Absolutely sucks. And also I'm recording in 4K today, so hopefully the quality is a little bit better, a little bit sharper than yesterday. I think yesterday's footage was on 1080. It's okay for phones and iPads and whatnot, but as soon as you blow it up on a big screen, looks like ass. So alright, cool, leave it like that. Alright, so I cut out all the boring stuff. Car's gone, and we're gonna bring in the other one. So nothing too special, just working on another car and trying to host some people to learn how to work on their car. So alright, so I think it's time that this engine here finds a home inside maybe